Hey Mel! Hey Snowball! What should we do today? Oh, I was thinking maybe we could... Mel, what are you looking at? Oh boy. Hey squirrels! You better get out of here, squirrels! I'm gonna get you, squirrels! Oh boy, not this again! Get over here! I'm gonna get you! Mel, you can't run from me, squirrels! Oh boy. Mel, stop! Ugh, I'm too tired. What's up with him and squirrels? Whoa, what are those? Mel, get over here! I found something cool! That'll teach those squirrels. Forget about the squirrels, man! Look what I found! Look at those! Ooh, what are they? Why are they rainbow colored? I don't know. I just found them. Blech, they don't taste very good. What should we do with them? Oh, I know! Let's put them in the magic microwave! Oh, that's a great idea! Yeah, let's do that! Alright, let's move the bowls. We made it! I wonder what's gonna happen. Let's find out. Bring a ball. Let's do this! Whoa! It worked! A surprise toy? Awesome! Ooh, a Mash'em! Alright, let's put 2 in this time. I'll get the bowls. Whoa, they both changed! Open it! This is awesome! Oh, the surprise toys are rainbow colored. Hey Mel, this time let's put in 3, 1 step ahead of you. They're stuck. Let's take them out. Ooh, more Mash'ems. And the blind bag. Hey, Snowball, I got a great idea. What is it? What if we go in the microwave? What? Are you crazy? It's magic. What if we turn into something cool? I'm going in. You can't stop me. Don't say I didn't warn you. What the? Whoa! I'm huge! I told you it'd be cool! Move aside, Mel! I'm going in! Ah! I'm too big! Ow. Okay, this is awesome! See? I told you! Now what? Now, we open up the surprise toys! Good work, you two. I'll take it from here. The first surprise toy is this Paw Patrol Mash'ems. Let's open it up and see who we got. It's Zuma, the water rescuer. Let's check out this Mash'ems a little more, and we'll go to our next surprise toy. Next up, we have a Finding Dory surprise egg. So with this surprise egg, instead of candy, we get a cookie. Let's take a bite. Not bad. We get this cool Bailey sticker. Nice! And for the surprise toy, we get this Dory and Nemo puzzle game. You have to guide the mini pinball through the maze. Alright, let's see if I can do this. Oh! I actually don't know if I'm doing this right, but I'll give it one more go. Yes! I got it in the small pocket! Let's keep on going! Here's a Super Nintendo minifigure surprise box. We can find one of these characters inside. Let's see who it is! Awesome! We got Yoshi! He's one of my favorite characters in the Super Nintendo universe. More mashems! This time it's a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle one. It's Donatello! He's definitely the smartest one out of the group. Let's play with the Smashems for a bit and go to the next surprise toy. This time, let's check out a Fashions. It's a Doc McStuffins one. Hey, we found Hallie, and she looks super cool in her sunglasses. Looks like Hallie's ready to go out and have some fun in the sun. Alright, and our last surprise toy is this Littlest Pet Shop blind bag. Oh, we found a cute deer with pink hair. Woo, that's sharp. Just kidding, it's not sharp. And we also get this star to put on our deer's head. It's a cute little accessory. And we also get this awesome blue boot to put our littlest pet in. She looks pretty comfortable in there. Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon.